Raoul, a friend of the show.
Friend of the show. He was on once back in, 2021?
Yeah, a while ago. We should get him back on.
Still friend of the show.
Yeah, still friend of the show. We've got his number, but we'll get him back on.
Yeah, so he's basically saying that so this is an article he did with Cointelegraph, I believe, not too long ago. Currently in a waiting room phase, which kind of is not a bad way to put it, really. I mean, a lot of people have been feeling like, when's this going? When's it going to happen? And he doesn't believe that we're close to a cycle top. He believes the bull market will continue into Q1, Q2, and 2026 because of a slower business cycle recovery. So that's, again, sort of tying into a lot of that destabilization that we saw at the front end of this year. And basically, liquidity conditions remain high for longer.
Well, because what he's referring to here is rising ISM. So ISM is an indicator that looks at the business cycle.
Yep. And
typically when it's under 50, we see sort of, businesses are retracting.
Yep.
And when it's over 50, they're expanding, right? And for the last sort of 2 years, we've been under 50.
Yep.
Which typically means if you stay under 50, you're basically in like a period of, growth potential, right? And the longer it stays under 50, the more potential for that growth, for explosive growth, right? And so looking back at the last 10 years, we've seen ISM peak in early 2018 and March 2021. Now, what happened in those two times?
Got the peakies. That's when it all sort of topped out, right? Yeah. Yep. And that is an interesting piece, right? Because again, like we're talking about crypto not just being this little, one-man marching band. Like, yeah, definitely. Like if we do see growth across manufacturing, services, probably more so manufacturing, it's definitely showing that there's money to spend in the global economy, right?
Yeah.
So that's where this ISM sort of comes in. It's seriously undercooked still.
Well, exactly. Yeah. And I was looking at it and it was like around, 65 in those periods. So it was really high in 2017 where we had that, Bitcoin all-time high, and in 2021, another Bitcoin and crypto all-time high. So we're yet to even get close to those levels yet. Like, as I said, we've been below 50. And as we start to see that above 50, we see businesses start to expand.
Yep.
And so we're teetering on that and we're trending in the right direction, which I see is good for crypto. And obviously, Raoul is thinking the same. But he's predicting April, May, June for real significant price action in the crypto market. And he's got strong conviction on that. So it's good to hear.